So put it on top of the smaller ring. This is called a ligature, and you put it on. This is called a reed, and it's very thin at the tip. If you bump it on your tooth or anything, you'll break it. And you have to put it in your mouth. I think I'll stick it under the water. That's what makes the sound. Without a reed, you have absolutely nothing. Well, blow it and see. All right, this goes down here. The reed goes all the way to the top. Then I take my thumb and finger and move it so it goes all the way up. Then I tighten these screws.
If you tighten it too much, will it break?
You just tighten it so it feels secure. All right, now hold this and put your lower teeth covered with your lip. You got it upside down. Like this. Put your upper teeth right on top and blow. Put a little more in your mouth. Now honk. Okay, now you don't need quite that much. Try it again. Don't let air in your cheeks. Keep your chin flat. Now blow.
Wait, like this?
That much. Here's your teeth on top. Don't bite too hard or the air can't get through. How did you get a sound out before?
My teeth, I press my teeth right here.
You don't put your teeth there, your lip. Your teeth on the top.
It hurts?
Mm-hmm. Don't bite too hard. Blow. I've never had anyone who couldn't blow the clarinet. Put your lip over your teeth. Open your mouth. Now blow. Don't bite. Blow hard.
Laughing.
No, is that we're looking at from this side, Diego, but it looks like your mouth is slipping to the top. So you start with a big chunk, and then at the end, it's almost like you got the tip only.
Must be biting too hard. If you bite too hard, see the reed goes up against the top of the mouthpiece, and then no air can get through.
So, like
You have to have air go through that little opening.